Pillow in Houston. I haven't give you guys any updates lately. This is what I pick up gray school, pine green ones. I've been realized the gray school size has more return than the main size. Turns out a lot of people want gray school. Gray school is cheaper. Like for example, like size 7, a lot of needs. Instead of my man, which is a rare size, I just buy gray school. 6 pair of 7, 3 pairs of 6.5, 3 pairs of 6, 5 pairs of 5.5, and 3 pairs of 5, 2 pairs of 4.5, 1 pairs of 4, got 1 man is 9. So in total of 24 pairs, what I got for you. DM is open. I'm okay to sell right now. These also can be a great investment. Let me know what you guys thought about it, okay? And I know y'all all want to see Supreme Week 1 unboxing. It's coming, I promise it's coming. I got some easy Desert Sage pickup, show you guys later. You know, I got some Supreme stuff, shoes put on the gram later. So this is it. Stay safe and stay away from coronavirus. Wear your mask, guys, okay?